Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. It's your one and only girl, Jody. Today, I will be making me a natural fruit drink in my kitchen, made with watermelon, loaded with passion fruit, and some ginger. When last have you had a refreshing glass of natural drink in your diet? So if you want to learn this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's get this process started. Let's go! These are all the ingredients you need to make your watermelon and passion fruit natural fruit drink. Over here, I've got my sugary sweet watermelon. It's really sweet. I taste it and it's really good. Over here, I got me some water, but I will be using more water. You will need your blender, you'll need your strainer and a bowl. You also need a piece of ginger, a lime, some sugar to taste, not a lot of sugar because it's natural fruit drink. And over here I've got the pulp from my passion fruit. This is what it looks like, passion fruit pulp. Alrighty guys, it's not sweetened, it's just the pulp. I bought it in the supermarket. You could get it at your local supermarket. Alrighty guys, so wait no more, let's get this process started. At this point, we are going to cut up our watermelon into pieces so we can blend them easily. And there you have it, guys, my watermelon all cut up and looking oh so sugary sweet. If you love some watermelon, let me know in the comment section because your girl over here is a huge fan of watermelon, guys. Looking oh so red, rich, and nice. After which, we are going to peel and cut up our ginger as well. Please make sure you wash and clean your ginger, removing all the dirt particles before adding it to your blender. Did you know that ginger helps to relieve indigestion, soothes your muscles, and fight germs? These are all natural ingredients that I'm using to make my watermelon and passion fruit with ginger fruit drink. And there you have it, guys. My ginger watermelon is all cut up and ready to move on to the next process. To my blender, I'm going to add my watermelon and my ginger. But first, guys, I'm not going to add everything to my blender all at once. I'm going to blend all of this into two separate stages because we don't want to overflow our blender. We want to make sure our ingredients are being blended properly for our drink. To that, I'm going with 2 cups of water. Please make sure when adding water, your ingredients are all covered up. Alrighty, guys, that's important. Now, I'm going to add me some of my passion fruit drink, and I'm going with 1 cup of passion fruit drink. This smells super good. Also, if you love some passion fruit, let me know in the comment section. This is a nice smell, OMG. And to that, I'm going with 1/2 cups of this into the mixture right here. We're going to use the next half into the other batch that we are going to make. And guys, let the blending process begin. Take a look at all of this niceness. OMG. This is super smelling good, guys. You could smell the freshness of my watermelon and the strongness of my ginger. Oh, so good. To my strainer, I'm carefully adding my watermelon and my ginger mixture. Please make sure you carefully add it to your strainer so that the pulp does not get away into the juice that we're trying to strain. Using a large spoon, we are going to stir and press the mixture until the dried fibrous pieces are left. And there it is, guys. We don't want all of that in our juice. Alrighty, guys. And we are moving on to our second batch where we are just going to add everything here to our blender and we're just going to blend away. And this, guys, we are repeating the exact same process. Alrighty guys, here we have it. Our watermelon, passion, and ginger is all strained off and looking oh so good. Look how rich this looks. Cannot wait to have me a refreshing glass. So guys, at this point, we are going to get this together by sweetening and adding all of our other ingredients to all of this niceness right here. Your juice is not yet completed without some lime juice. This helps to give it that nice lime taste. OMG guys. And give it that stir, making sure all that lime juice infuse into this nice mixture. Up next, we are going to sweeten our mixture, going in with 1/4 cups of sugar. Please make sure you sweeten according to your taste. And you want to give it that stir, making sure all that sugar particle is being dissolved into your mixture. Alrighty guys, this is looking oh so good already. Look at the texture. The texture is everything. And I'm gonna go in and give it that taste test. It needs a little bit more water. And give it that stir, making sure everything is well combined at this time. Now, I'm gonna go back in and give it a taste test to adjust where necessary. And it is perfect. Nothing more needed. My juice is tasting oh so good. At this point, I'm going to give it a second strain because I've noticed that we have still a little bit more fibrous pieces. We don't need all of that when drinking our juice. So please make sure to give it a second strain, making sure all of that is not included in our drink. And look at that guys, see? Please go ahead, give it a second strain and your drink will be oh so smooth and nice. So now that you have achieved the taste that you want for your juice, we are then gonna pour it off into a container so we could enjoy all of this goodness together. And just look at the texture. I am in love with this baby right here. To my glass, I'm going in with some ice cubes because I want it to be oh so refreshing and nice. And going in with my niceness. OMG, my natural watermelon, passion, and my ginger drink is all completed and ready for me to take a sip. And there you have it guys. If you enjoy this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe if you're new here. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn your notification button on so you do not miss out any video that we post. New content is coming up, new recipes that you don't want to miss out on. Alrighty guys, so if you enjoy this recipe guys, please try it at home and let me know your honest feedback. I want to know how yours turn out in your kitchen. This is a must try. All natural ingredients are being used to make my natural drink. You cannot get enough of this. You need some of this in your diet. That's a must. Alrighty guys, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a blessed week. Have a prosperous new year and see you guys soon. Bye guys.